हेलो एवरीवन, सुप्रभात सबको। दिस साइड घन प्रकाश कोरेटा, a student of MSc final year genetics and plant breeding at College of Agriculture, Fatehpur Shekhawati. Today I will be demonstrating another very important instrument which is called as chlorophyll meter. It is also called as speed meter. So now we should understand that how does it works and how we can use it in the field. So basically, chlorophyll meter or speed meter is a smart, handy portable device which estimates the leaf chlorophyll content without destroying the sample. So now we can move the principle behind it. So the chlorophyll meter or speed meter works on the principle of light absorbance. So basically it emits two wavelength of lights. First is red at 60 nanometer and second is a infrared at 940 nanometer. By comparing these two readings, the instrument calculates the numerical value commonly called as speed values. Higher speed values indicate the higher chlorophyll content in the leaf. So now we will discuss about its parts. So this is a chlorophyll meter or speed meter. Basically it has three major parts. First is digital display screen, and these are the four buttons for easy observation operations, and this is a handlebar or clip slot, and third one is a light source and detectors where the chlorophyll readings are shown. So firstly we should switch on the power button. As you can see, on off button are there. So firstly we should on the speed meter. As you can see, the instrument is start. So second, we press it the handlebar without any sample to calibrate it. Now it is calibrated. So now we should select the fully expanded fresh healthy leaf from middle of the canopy of the plant. As you can see, please come closer. As you can see, this is a fresh leaf of palm millet. So we put the leaf into leaf slot and press it the handlebar. Now you can check. This instrument calculate the chlorophyll content. As you can see, the chlorophyll content is a 48.4 in speed value, and the temperature of leaf is 24.87 degrees Celsius. For accuracy, take readings 5 to 10 leaves per plant and average the value. So this is a detailed demonstration of chlorophyll meter or speed meter. Hope so you understood the principle behind it, and also you should understand the working of this instrument. If you find this video helpful to you, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. My channel name is GP Ghoreta. Lastly, I would to say thank you for watching. Thank you.